So, which brother will read the question? What was the problem? Last problem we did, Shabab? Somebody remember?
What, teacher? Can you again?
Which problem we did last week? The last one.
For error, offset error.
No, last problem. Which problem we did? 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Which one was the last?
Only 1 minute, teacher. I see
Provisional band.
the 3.2, teacher.
3.2, yeah. So can you please read the 3.3?
Okay. In a temperature control application, the range of controller output is 4 to 20 milliamp. If the proportional band is 20% and difference between set point and measurement value 8%, what will be the value of the controller output signal in milliamp and psi? Assume
So what is 8%?
8% the error.
Error, very good. 8% is the error.
Yes. And assume C0 equal 40%.
C0 mean what? Initial value of the controller.
Yes,
That is
manual
MR.
reset.
Yes, very good. So we need to find output. We need to find output in milliampere and PSI. Right, Shabab? This is the
Right.
part A. So if PB is 20%, how much is KC? KC is how much?
5.
100 over 25, very good. 5. So output of the controller is equal to what, Shabab? KCE plus MR. How much KC?
5.
Five.
KC is 5.
How
And
much
error
error?
8
How much
plus
MR?
40.
So altogether 80%. Right, Shabab?
Right.
Okay, now we need to find milliampere and PSI. So how we find milliampere and PSI?
By two-line method, teacher.
By two-line method. So this is our output, 0 to 100%. Then we have 4 to 20 milliampere, and then we have 3 to 15 PSI. So 80% is here, 80%. So X, Y, we need to find. Right, Shabab?
Yes, Doctor.
Yes.
So how much X, how much Y? Some brother is there who cannot solve it? Shabab? Is there any brother who need help to solve it?
Just a minute.
Yes, Baba. How much milliampere?
I think the answer will be 5.28.
Milliampere 5.28. Are you sure? It is 80%.
80. Oh, I will again.
Output is 80%.
It will be 20.8.
20.8 is not possible. It is more than our range. Our range is 4 to 20. In the book, it is overwriting.
I think will be
You need
16.8
to calculate it.
milliampere.
Very good. 16.8 milliampere. Very good. 16.8 milliampere. How much PSI? How much PSI, Shabab?
Just a minute.
I think 15 psi or
No.
uh,
15 is the maximum.
12.6.
12.6. Very good. 12.6 PSI. Please read the part B.
Part B, how much valve will be open and valve is normally open and normally closed.
So, same diagram we need to draw. We always do this thing. This is our output, 0 to 100%. Normally closed valve, normally open valve. Both valve he is asking. Normally closed valve at 0 signal, 100% closed. This is here 0% closed.
Open. Close.
close.
How much here?
100 open
100% open.
and 0% close. Open.
0%
Open.
open. Here it is 0% open.
Yes.
And here 100% open. Here it is 0%
Close.
closed. And here 100% closed. So now we need to know how much it is open. So 80% is here, somewhere here, 80%. So how much open? If this valve is 80% open, and this valve
20 open. 20%.
20% open.
20%.
20 open. Yes.
Oh, open.
Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Any question up to here, Shabab?
Yes. Clear.
Yeah, please read the next question, Shabab.
Three 3.4 teacher.
Yes, please.
Okay. 3.4 for proportional control action. P action. Manual reset is 50%. For gain 1 and 2 find the output of controller and draw it for the error as follows.
It has two gains, 1 and 2. Right, Shabab? So from 0 to T1, what is error? Yes, Shabab, from 0 to T1, what is the error? Yes, Shabab.
teacher.
0 to T1, what is the error?
0 to T1.
Yes,
0.
0. And after T1, how many errors?
It's 50. It's
One
constant.
After T1, there are two errors. 1% and minus 1%. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So how many parts this curve has? How many parts?
2 parts.
2.
2 parts. From where to where?
From the
From
minus
0
1
to from teacher, the first one from minus from 1 to T.
2 parts are there. T is less than equal to T1 and greater than equal to 0 minutes. What is error here? 0%. And the second part, T is greater than equal to T1 minute. What is error here? Here two errors. One is 1% and other is minus 1%.
Minus 1.
Right, Shabab?
Right.
Okay. Now again we have two gains. How many gains we have?
2 gains.
2.
Two gains.
Two.
See here. So again we need to divide this every column into. So Kc is equal to 1, Kc is equal to 2, Kc is equal to 1, Kc is equal to 2, Kc is equal to 1, Kc is equal to 2. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the output? MP output proportional output equal to what?
AC multiply error.
Kc
Kc multiply error plus MR.
Plus
MR.
MR. Yes.
How much Kc here? 1.
1.
What is error? 0.
0.
MR 50.
50. Yes.
50%.
Yes.
Output here Kc 2, error 0,
And will
MR
be
50,
50.
again 50%.
Yes.
Here Kc 1, error how much? 1, 50, 51%. Shabab with
Yes.
me?
With you.
Here
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
Kc 2, error
2.
1, plus 50, 52%. Right, Shabab?
Right.
How much
Yes.
here? Kc how much?
Kc 1.
1 error,
Error minus 1.
Minus
minus
1.
1. MR
Plus 50. 49.
49%. Kc 2, error minus 1. MR 50, how much?
48.
48.
48%.
Yes.
So how many output we have?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3,
3.
4, 5, 6. So just to make them easy, I just put them like this. Right, Shabab?
Yes, doctor.
Now we're gonna draw them. Okay, Shabab, draw them. Show me, get the first. Draw them, Shabab. 6 output, draw them. Get the first. Somebody is trying, Shabab? Some brother is trying?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Shabab.
Teacher, just one.
Somebody is trying, Shabab?
Teacher, finish.
Yeah, please show.
Okay.
You are very near, but not correct. See here, Shabab, now we are drawing it. We are drawing the output. So we have 49, 48, 51, 52, 50. So we need 6 outputs. So we draw the line like this. So we say this is 49, 48, 50, 51, 52. Is it correct like this?
No, teacher.
No, teacher. No.
Why?
49, it's not order.
49 before.
Okay, no problem, no problem. We put 48 here and 49 here. Now it is correct?
No, teacher.
Yes, inshallah.
No, teacher. There is still a mistake.
50, teacher. Another 50 we have. Another output we have 50.
Yeah, no problem. We will say this is M1 and M2 both have this. then M3 is 51 is M3, and then M4 is 52, then M5 is 49, and M6 is 48. Now is it correct?
No, teacher. 50 is from 0 to T1, and M3 and M4 and M5 and M6 is from T1 to infinity.
Very good. Very good. What is your ID? Tell me your ID, brother.
421.
421. What is your first name?
Sami.
Sami. Okay. This brother is saying very correct. This is wrong. It is not correct like this. Now see here. This is from 0 to T1. Just from 0 to T1, we have 50%. Here what we are doing? We are saying all the time it is 50%. No. Just from 0 to T1 up to here it is 50%. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, Doctor.
Now, second thing, M3, M4, M5, M6, these four. Shabab, give me just 1 minute. मैं चला चला तो उनका रंग मैं हाजिर हूँ लगा दो इंशाल्लाह सही इंशाल्लाह ठीक ओके Now Shabab, please see here. This M3, M4, M5, M6, this is if the time is bigger than T1. So they should not be here. They should not be here. This is wrong. This is wrong. They are after T1. This is wrong. This is wrong. So they are here. So this is 51, M3, M4, 49, M5, M6. Like this they are. Shabab with me?
Yes, Doctor.
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
So once again, this curve has this error curve. It is given. It has two parts, 0 to T1 and greater than T1. For 0 to T1, error is what? 0. The dotted line does not have any value. The dotted line is just the reference. And after T1, it has two errors. Number one minus and the other one minus 1. It is given two gains, 1 MR 50%. We need to find the output. So what we did? We just put the values here. T is less than or equal to T1, greater than or equal to 0, error is 0. KC1, KC2. On the other hand, T is greater than or equal to T1, error is 1, minus 1. So KC1, KC2, KC1, KC2 here. So then we find the output. So after these both outputs are same, so we will say we will draw them from 0 to T1, M1, M2 at the same place. After that, four outputs, they are after T1. After T1, four outputs. So M4, M3, M4, M5, M6, they are after T1. Any question up to here, Shabab?
No, teacher. It's clear.
That's good. There is another problem, Shabab, like this. This is error. T1 is there. T1 is any number. T1, T2 is there, minutes. So here it is -1. At T1, it becomes +1. And at T2, it becomes 0. Right, Shabab?
Teacher, this which question?
This is extra question.
Oh,
It
okay.
is not in the book.
Okay.
Now, how many parts this curve has?
3 parts.
3 parts. 3.
Which one?
From -1 to T1, and from 1 to T2, and from T2 to minute.
Very good. So it has 3 parts. 2 gains are given. 1 and 2. Maybe 2 MR are given. But right now it is just 1 MR is there. But it is possible 1 gain is given, 2 MR are given. Why not? Output is we need to find. So this error has 3 parts. So first part is what, Shabab? T is less than equal to T1, greater than equal to 0. Error is how much?
1.
-1.
-1.
-1. Second part, T is less than equal to T2, greater than equal to T1 minutes. How much error?
+1.
+1%. T is greater than equal to T2 minutes. How much error?
0.
0%. Right, Shabab? Now, how many gains we have? 2 gains. So each column we will divide in 2. KC1, KC2, KC1, KC2, KC1, KC2. Output is equal to what, Shabab? Output equal to what?
50.
M is KCE plus MR.
Yes, 50.
So how much KC? 1.
49.
Error -1. MR 50. How much?
94. 49. 49.
49%. Here output how much? KC 2. Error how much?
-1.
-1.
-1. Plus MR 50. How much?
48.
48.
48%. How much here? KC how much?
1.
1
Error
plus 51 will be 51.
51%.
51 teacher.
How much here?
2 and 1 plus 50 will be 52.
52%.
Yes.
How much here?
50%.
20, yes.
How much
And
here?
50.
50%.
Yes.
So how many outputs we have? 1,
So,
2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6. Draw
Yes.
them, get the first.
Yeah, okay.
Draw them, Shabab, get the first. Yes, Shabab, draw them, get the first. Somebody is trying, Shabab?
Finish, teacher.
Yeah, please show me.
Finish, teacher.
Yeah, please show. Please show me.
Yes, here, teacher.
Bring it, yeah, bring it near the camera. All are same?
No, teacher. Here, M6, M5, M1 and
No, it is
2,
not like
M3, M4. Here is the error. Not like this.
Not like this. See here, Shabab. So these two are from 0 to T1. These two, M1 and M2, they are 0 to T1. 14.8 and 49.
Yes.
So this is 48 and this is 49. Like this, from 0 to T1. From T1 to T2,
51 and 52.
51 and 52.
Yes, I do like this, doctor.
So here it is
51 and 52.
51 and 52. Then the last two outputs, last two, they're after T2.
0.
50.
50,
Yes.
this one. Like this. Percentage. So are you with me?
Yes,
Yes.
doctor.
So this is M1, M2, M3, M4, this M5 and M6 both. So are you with me?
Yes, doctor. Yes.
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 Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. Any question, Shabab?
No, sir, it is clear.
That's
Teacher.
good. Alhamdulillah.
Teacher.
Let us move to the next question.
أسامة المسبح شكلك ناس المايك مفتوح قفله داخل الزاج عندنا.
I am sorry, teacher.
Yes, brother, can you please read the next problem?
If if provisional band is 25%, find and draw output of the controller from the error as follow.
So error is given like this. Here become -1. So this is the error, Shabab. How much is proportional band?
25%.
25. So Kc is how much? 100 over 25, 4. Luckily, MR is not given. MR is 0. So we need to find M. M is equal to what, Shabab?
KC times
KC
zero
times E
plus 0.
plus MR.
4E. Now, one option you have the older. Before we were doing, we divide the curve in the parts. How many parts this curve has, Shabab?
7, teacher.
7.
7. So now if you start this question, you divide it in 7 parts. How many hours you need to do it?
What, teacher? 7 part.
7 parts, so you maybe you need 1 hour just to do this question.
Yes.
Right? Now here you need smart work, not the hard work. So are with me?
Yes.
One gain is given, just one gain is there for, right?
Yes.
Error is given like this. So output is 4E. 4E mean what? What does it mean 4E?
4 multiplied with the error here from
4
time
multiplied by
0
error.
and
So wherever error is there, multiplied with 4. Right, Shabab?
Yes,
Right.
doctor.
yes.
Okay. Now, for example, error is 0 -1. So we multiply it with -1, 4, -4. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, then error is 0. Multiply with 4, 0. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Then 1 multiply by 4, 2, 8, 3, 12. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So how it will become here directly? Now we are drawing the output here. 0, 0 into 4, 0. Then here it goes to 4. Then 8. Then 12. Then still 12. Then it is coming here. See, down 12. Then it is coming down here like this. Then like this. Then here minus and then become 0 again. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes.
So just we multiply error with 4. Right, Shabab?
Right.
Now, even you are working more smart, you can do it here even with the error here. How? You can say this is my output with black. Before it is blue, now I'm using black output. So multiply it with 4. Multiply this one with 4, this one with 4, this one with 4, this one with 4. So it also become the output. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to do like that? No problem. You keep the same and draw the output again, like we did before. Any question up to here, Shabab?
Teacher,
Yes.
why? How we got this teacher? The output graph. I know how, but why we read
What
out
is error
like
here? Imagine this is, put the time here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. Right? From 0 to 1, what is error?
from 0 to 1, 0.
0. 0 and 2, 4, how much?
0.
Because you told me it is 4e, right?
Yes.
So it is 0, right?
Okay.
Okay. From 1 to 2, what is error? At 1, what is error? It becomes 1.
Okay. Now I know. 1 multiplied by 4, 4. And we
4, it becomes 4.
Okay. I got it, teacher. Thank you.
That's good. MashaAllah, that's good. Any other brother, please ask. Ya Shabab, please ask. Ya Shabab, any question, please?
Clear, teacher.
Okay,
Clear.
Shabab. That's good, MashaAllah. This is case when MR is 0. Right, Shabab? What is our MR, Shabab?
0.
Yes, teacher.
0. Imagine MR is not 0. MR is 4. Now what will happen?
It will be 8 multiply E.
4. 4e plus 4, right?
Yes.
Like this. Everybody with me?
Yes, doctor.
Even the MR is given, you think MR is not given and draw the graph. Right? Shabab with me?
Yes.
Now shift the graph 4. Add 4e plus 4. So this 0 will be what now?
4.
4. So now I am doing with the black pen. It will be 4, add 4. Here it is already 4, it will add 4 more.
Yes.
Right, Shabab?
Yes.
It will go like this.
12.
4 everywhere, add the 4.
And down.
Everywhere, add 4. Everywhere, add
Down.
4. Everywhere, add 4. Shabab with me?
Yes.
So
Yes.
basically, MR is doing what? MR, if it is positive, practically MR is always positive. It cannot be negative. But theoretically, mathematically, it can be negative. So our MR positive, it shifts the graph up.
Yes.
Right, Shabab?
Yes,
It
doctor.
bias the output up. It give a bias for the output to shift it up. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes.
And theoretically, for example, theoretically, imagine the MR is negative. Then what will happen?
Will be down. Down.
Down. It will shift the graph down. That's it.
Yes.
Shabab with me?
Yes, understood.
Okay. Now, two very important points. Number one, error is starting from where? Error is starting from 0%, right?
Yes.
And output, if output is starting also from 0%, it means MR is what?
0.
0. If output is not starting from 0%, it means there is some MR is there.
MR is 4 mean. It's mean.
Here we know already. Otherwise, we don't know, right? Now imagine this curve is given like this. Okay, Shabab, this is error, this is output, the blue one, right? Find the gain, find the MR. So how much is MR for the blue one?
MR 0.
0.
Zero.
Because both are starting from 0. So
Yes,
MR is
Because
0.
they are started from 0.
0. How much is the gain?
4.
4. How do we know that? For example, here it is 3, here it is 12. So 12 by 3, 4.
Oh,
You can
yes.
take any place. So gain is 4. Now imagine the question is given with this blue and this black. This blue and this black. What is MR?
4.
4.
4. Yes.
So MR is 4. How much is the gain?
Also 4.
How? Tell me. How?
Gain.
Now this thing is now 16. This is 16.
Then the
So
gain is 2. So
16 divided by 3.
It will be 5.3.
How come? No, you change again. You just solved it. How you can change again? You solved it with again 4. But how you will find now? This is the question.
Oh, 16 divide by
2 and
By-
the power will be.
by 4.
Yes.
It will be 2.
Yes. Yes.
16 divided by 4. How come 4? From where you bring the 4?
Because
2
we are
power 4.
shifted here.
Huh?
Because down we
16
are
is
shifted.
the output. Output is 16. Error is 3. So 16 by 3.
Oh, 16 by 3, 5.33. No.
40.
See, there are two ways. Shubha, please see here. Two ways. There are two ways. Number one, graphically. When you are saying MR is 4, right?
yes.
Because it is starting from 0, it is starting from 4. So you are saying MR is 4. So you subtract the MR from it. If you subtract the MR, it will become 0, right?
Right.
Yes.
So it will be now what? 12 by 3. Right?
Yes, 4. It will be 4.
4. If this is graphical, if you want to go mathematically, what is the total change in the output? What is the total change in the output? 16 minus 4.
Minus 4.
What is the total change in the error? 3 minus 0.
3 minus 0.
Yes.
How much?
Oh, 12 over 3 will be 4. Yes.
4. So whichever way you want, you can go graphically, you can go mathematically. Whichever way you want, you can go. So if you go graphically, as soon as you got MR is 4, okay, bring it down 4. So it will be here. So maximum not 12. 12 by 3, 4. Right, Shabab?
Yes, Doctor.
If you go mathematically, okay, total change. For 16 minus 4, 16 minus 4, divide by 3 minus 0, 4.
Doctor, if we the graph up, that is mean MR will be 8. That is true.
Sorry?
If we move the graph up, that is mean will be MR 8.
Yes, yes, yes.
True.
Yes.
Okay.
We can
Yes.
do this example. This is a good example. We can do it. Let me just draw it. This brother is Shabab saying we can take the example of another example with MR 8. Okay, no problem. So if MR is 8, what will happen?
Change the values in the scale because they will be larger.
So M is equal to Kc is 4, error is given, plus MR is 8. So 4E plus 8. So we will repeat the same curve. If there is a not MR is not there, it will start from here. No, it will start from here.
Yes, yes.
Right,
Yes.
Shabab? And it will go up
Yes, two,
like
two.
this, then like this, then like this,
20
then it is going like this, then here,
and down.
then here, then here, then here. This is minus 1 here into 4, minus 4 plus 8, 4. So it will go up to here, then like
And
this.
up and right. That is.
Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, again, imagine this is given. Now this is given. How much is the, find the MR,
20 minus 8.
find KC. Again, what you will do? It is starting from where? Arrow is starting from where?
0,
0.
0.
1.
Okay,
And
starting from where?
8.
8.
8.
8. So it means 8 is the MR.
Hmm.
MR 8%. Now, as soon as you make it 8%, bring it here. You will remove 8%, it will come here, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
how much is the maximum here?
20 will go down 8.
12, right?
Yes.
12 divided by 3?
4.
4.
Yes. That.
Jawab with me?
Yes, Doctor.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes, doctor.
you want to do the other way? No problem, do the other way. What is overall change in output? 20 minus
8.
8. 12.
Yes, 12.
divided by 3.
Over 3 will be 4.
Over 3 minus 0. 4.
Whichever way you want, you can do it. Right, Shabab?
Yes,
Any question up to here, Shabab?
it is clear.
Teacher.
Doctor,
Yes, please.
why divide over 3?
Sorry?
Why we divide over 3? For example, here we divided 12 over 3.
What is the change in the error? 3 minus 0.
Uh-huh.
If you are taking this peak, if you are just taking this peak, then again it is 12 divided by 3.
I see. Thank you.
You are welcome. Yes, brother. Any other brother has any confusion, any question, please ask. Yes, Shabab, please read the next question.
In figure shown as follow, LT as a level transmitter, pneumatic output, and LIC is a level controller. It's a pneumatic output. Draw PID diagram for the given block diagram.
Yes, Shabab, please draw the PID diagram. Get the first. This is the rooftop tank is there. Then we have a level transmitter. This is differential pressure type transmitter is there. Then we connect a level indicator controller. It has set point. This is bringing PV. Here we put a pump. Here we put a valve, control valve. We connect with it like this. So draw the PID diagram, get the first. Yes, brother. Somebody is drawing?
Yes, teacher, please wait.
Output of the transmitter is pneumatic. Output of the controller is pneumatic. Yes, Shabab.
Teacher, is it like this?
Please show me a little, bring it near to the camera. You put the type of the valve?
Yes, teacher. Normally
Okay,
close.
tell me your ID. What is your ID?
616.
616, Nawaf.
Yes.
That's good. Very good, brother, very good. So output of the level transmitter is pneumatic. So pneumatic signal means this thing, right? This is the pneumatic signal. And output of the controller is also pneumatic. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
And type of the valve should be what? Normally open, normally close.
Close, teacher.
It depends upon the application. We cannot say exactly close or exactly open, but if it is not very expensive fluid here, water is there, for example, maybe we need all the time, but imagine it is benzene tank, then maybe we don't need all the time. So we will do for both cases. It is also, we will take normally close first, then take the normally open first. Where is I2P converter, Shabab, here? Why we did not put the I2P converter?
They are both pneumatic. No need to convert.
They are both pneumatic. Very good. Output of the controller is pneumatic. Control valve is also pneumatic. So no need I2P converter. On the other hand, today on the planet Earth, like 99.99% controllers are electronic. Very rarely, maybe some brother gonna see the pneumatic controller, and that is at maybe very hazardous places. So like ammonia plant maybe, or some. So the bottom line, normally you're gonna deal with the electronic controllers, very few pneumatic. So same level transmitter, very few you will see the pneumatic ones. Normally it is electronic. So what type of this transmitter, Shabab? This transmitter is what type?
Level transmitter.
Level transmitter, which type?
Normally
How
close,
many
teacher.
types were there? Instrumentation measurement 1. How many type of level sensors were there in journal?
2. Automatic and
In-
manual.
No. In journal, there are 2 type of level sensors: direct measurement and indirect measurement. Right? In direct
Yes.
measurement, there are like 12, 13 ways, and indirect measurement, same like 13, 14 ways. So this is direct measurement or indirect measurement?
Direct, teacher.
How do you know it is direct?
Because
Because
it's
it touches the water, so it is direct.
How do you know it is direct?
If it is not direct, it will use something below the tank as a weight or radiation to check. But this one seems connected directly to the tank, so it touched the water.
So
That is
why it has two limbs? Why these two limbs are there? But it is measuring.
level.
No, with two limbs it is measuring level. Are you sure?
Maybe resistance.
Huh? It is fluid here, fluid, like water or something. Yeah, Shabab, but it is
Pressure,
measuring
difference in pressure.
differential pressure. It is measuring differential pressure. Now tell me, it is direct or indirect?
Indirect.
Indirect. It is measuring differential pressure, but it's telling level. So it is what? Indirect. Shabab with me?
yes.
And this is capillary tube, very thin brass tubing. Please ask me whenever you come to the lab, ask me, I will show you this tubing. So it is taking a very small amount of the liquid from here or fluid and bring here, they take the differential pressure.
What's name this
and
tube?
Capillary tube, brass capillary tube.
Okay.
Yeah. So whenever you come to the lab, please ask me, I will show you guys. So this is bringing, so which one is the low pressure, which one is the high pressure? This is low pressure or high pressure?
Below
low pressure.
Up high
Huh?
pressure.
This is high pressure. Imagine the tank is full up to here. Imagine. So who has more weight? This line or this line? Which line has more weight?
The lower lane has higher pressure.
Lower one. So this is high pressure. This is low pressure always. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So you also need to make crosshair as a capillary tube. Otherwise, PID diagram is not correct. Then this is pneumatic output. We directly give to the controller, and the controller, because it is given input and output of the controller is pneumatic, so it is also giving the pneumatic signal like this. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What is the part B? Some brother has any question up to here? Shabab, some brother has question?
Clear, teacher.
Okay, that's good, mashallah. Okay, Shabab, please read the part B.
What is the action of control, direct acting or reverse acting? If the control valve is air to open type, give the reason.
This is saying air to open. Air to open mean what? It is normally closed or normally open?
Normally open.
Air to open.
Air to, yes.
It
Air
needs
comes
air
in,
to
so
get
it will
open.
open. That is normally closed.
Normally closed. Very good. Very good. Air to open. To open it, you need more air. So it should be normally open, normally closed.
Oh, normally close, normally close.
Normally
No, I
closed.
got it.
Okay, Shabab. It is direct action, reverse action. What is the first step?
The level transmitter, teacher. See if the SP is the first thing. See PV, it's near to SP or
How
not?
much SP?
SP we don't know. We don't.
Tell me some number.
80.
For example, 10.
80%. How much is PV?
75.
75. Okay, signal here more than needed, less than needed. PV more than needed, less than needed.
PV
here,
less than less.
Less
Less
than
than.
needed. The material is coming freely, fluid is coming freely. Now we need to open this valve more or close more to bring it
More.
to 80.
Open more.
Open more or close more?
Give it
Open the
air
valve.
to open more.
Open the valve and increase the signal.
We need to open the valve, right? Or close
Yes.
the valve?
Increase the signal,
Open
teacher.
the valve.
No, first please tell me, we need to open the valve more or close more?
Close.
If we want
Open
to
more.
reach that point, we need to
Huh?
add more to make the process variable higher. So open the valve.
If we open the valve, it will give more fluid. So the PV will fall more. It is already 75.
Open a little, teacher.
We
The
want to
valve
make it
takes
80.
out to put in.
See,
Open it
Shabab, please.
20%, teacher, 30%. Maybe
Sabar,
like this.
Sabar. Right now, what is SP? 80.
Yes.
What is PV? 75.
Yes.
We want to increase it, right? To 80.
Yes.
Yes.
If we want to increase it, we should close the valve or open the valve.
Increase it. The
Close the valve
PV.
so no water goes out.
So we should close it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why,
If we
teacher?
close it,
Because
if
Because
we
it's
close it, then this will rise. The level in the tank will rise, right?
yeah. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
And this is normally closed. So we will remove the signal or increase the signal.
Remove
we
the
want to remove the signal. Yes.
So both arrows are down.
It's mean direct.
Direct.
Direct action.
Yes.
Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Yes.
For the if the valve is normally closed, A to open, it is direct action. Right?
Right.
Okay. Take the opposite. Now the valve is A to close. A to close mean what?
Normally open.
Right, Shabab?
Right.
Signal here more than needed, less than needed.
Less.
Yes.
Less than needed. We want to close the valve or open the valve?
Here,
Open
the valve.
Or close. Keep it closed.
We want to close the valve. We want to
yes,
bring 75 to 80.
Yes. We
Yes, close it.
want to increase the signal.
So if we remove the signal, it will get more open. So we want to increase the signal, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it is what now?
Reverse
Just
action.
close to
Reverse
reverse.
action. No, it is reverse action. Right, Shabab?
Right.
Yes, Shabab, any question up to here?
Teacher, if we close the valve, the PV will reduce, right?
Yes.
Yes, but the SP is 80, so we need to increase the PV.
So if we close the valve, the PV will reduce or increase?
If we close the PV will decrease.
How?
الفالف قاعد يسحب ماي مو بيحط ماي في التانك حق شيء لازم تسكره عشان يزيد الماي.
The valve is at the output, at the outlet. The fluid is coming here free.
Mhm.
You get the answer, brother?
Yes, teacher, thank you.
The brother who asked the question, you get the answer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Any other brother has any question, please ask. Yes, Shabab. Any brother has question, please ask.
Clear, inshallah.
No question, Shabab?
Clear,
Yes.
inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, Shabab, inshallah, we'll take 10 minutes break now for the prayer. So we'll be back at 5:15, inshallah. Right, Shabab?
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you
Okay,
very much.
thank you, Doctor.
Yalla Shabab, please come. Everybody come back, Shabab.
Yes, teacher, I am here.
Okay, that's good, mashallah. Okay, Shabab, now this question, similar question comes in the, you can say, in the exam, on the plant, a lot of places. So, for example, the PV is 8 psi, set point is 80%, right, Shabab? Calculate the output of the controller. This part A, part B, how much valve is open if it is normally open, normally closed. This type of question, a lot of times it is there. So how are we going to start this question, Shabab?
What, teacher?
How are we going to start this question?
Oh, question.
Again is given 2. How are we going to start it?
We found, teacher, the first thing, they convert the PV to see the error and to see the error and only
Very good. So first convert the 8 psi into what? Millimeter?
into
Percentage. Very good. Okay, 8 psi, how much percentage?
53.3. I convert.
Two-line method.
Yes.
How much?
53.3. I converted before.
53.3%.
Yes.
Everybody make sure it is correct, Shabab. This brother is telling me. Any other brother make it sure? How we calculate it? Like two-line method. 3 to 15 psi. And we already have solved this question if you guys remember. This one. 8 psi here. X is how much? So x minus 0 over 100 minus 0 is equal to 8 minus 3 or 15 minus 3. So x is equal to 5 over 12 into 100. So how much?
Will be
Teacher, I'm
41.
wrong. 41.6. 41.6.
Yes.
Now it's true. I'm wrong, teacher. Sorry.
41.6. So 500 over 12. Yeah, approximately, yes. So how much is the error, Shabab?
Teacher,
How much is the error?
what's the action?
We
don't
don't know the action.
Yeah. Direct.
We don't know.
Yeah,
Can
no.
we know the action? If it is
Yeah.
given, normally open, air to close, air to open, normally close, we can know. But if
And where
nothing
is
is given,
the valve, the location? It's different.
if nothing is given, then what we will do?
Both, teacher.
Then we have to do the both. Right, Shabam?
Yes.
So if nothing is given, then we have to do the both. If somehow something is given, we can check it. Right, Shabam? So imagine nothing is given, then we'll do the both. So assume something is given, assume it is saying direct action. So direct action mean what? The valve should be normally closed, normally open.
The direct P.
Normally open. Should be normally open.
Normally open or normally closed?
Normally open.
Take the normally closed for example. Give me some SPPV.
SP 90,
90. Okay. PV
80.
80. Signal here more than 80, less than 80.
It needs more than 80.
Less than 80,
PV,
right?
yes.
It is less than 80. So this valve you are saying normally close. If we remove the signal, it will get close. But we wanna close it or open it?
Close it.
Close it. So we need to decrease the signal, right?
Yes.
So both are same.
Direct action, yes.
Direct action. Okay. So let us assume it is direct action. Then what happens? Then what will happen?
PV minus
PV
SP.
minus SP. Right,
Yes.
Shabab?
Yes.
How much is PV? 41.6. And if it is reverse action,
SP minus PV.
SP minus PV, then it will be normally open. So we, if nothing is given, we will take both. Okay. If we are taking both, then we will draw the line and we do. So let's take one. We say it is normally open, so it is reverse action. So what is the error for the reverse action, Shabab? Somebody can tell me.
Reverse.
PV minus
How much is SP?
90.
SP it's not 80.
80.
80.
And what is PV?
41.6.
Yes.
41.6. So how much?
38.4.
38.4%.
Yes.
Output is equal to Kc how much?
Teacher KC.
Yes.
Control gain and error plus MR.
No, how much is Kc?
Oh,
KC. You wrote it, teacher 2, I think.
2. Error?
30.
How much MR?
MR 50.
10.
10. Yes.
10 is given.
86.8. 86.8.
86.8%. Shabab with me?
Yes, Doctor.
Everybody verify this number, Shabab. Okay, as soon as we get this output,
The
we can
number,
find-
teacher, right. I verified it. Right.
it is good?
Yes.
Okay. Now, there are two possibilities. Either the valve is normally open or normally closed. Right, Shabab?
Yes, Doctor.
So let's take both. So this is normally open, this is normally closed, this is signal 0 to 100%. And 86.8% will come here. And we need to know open. So normally open means here it is 100% open, right?
Yes.
Here 0% open. Closed we don't need. Here normally closed. So 100% closed.
Close.
But we need open.
0%
0%
close.
So how much open here? 0%
Open.
open. And here 100%
0% close.
open.
Open. I'm sorry.
Open.
So how much open here?
13.2.
Huh?
13.2 open.
%13.2% open. How much open here, Shabab?
86.
86.8% open.
Yes.
Open.
Yes, Doctor.
Any question up to here, Shabab?
It is clear, Doctor.
Okay. If somebody asking the output of the controller, find the output of the controller. So what does it mean? Which output we should find here?
Teacher, we find it 86.8.
No, this is not the output of the controller. This is the percentage of the output.
Oh,
The question is
pneumatic, converted teacher to pneumatic.
converted into pneumatic. Very good.
Yes.
Yes.
Somebody's question can be like this: convert the output of find the output of a controller. So if it is asking find the output of a controller, it means if the output of the controller is pneumatic, we need to find the PSI. If it is electric, we need to find the milliampere.
Yes.
Correct. Shabab with me?
Yes, Doctor.
Yes.
Any question up here, Shabab?
So clear, teacher.
Oh, that's good. Okay, Shabab. Now we are stopping here. This is our P action is complete. Right, Shabab?
P mode action.
Our proportional action is completed. Right,
Yes.
Shabab?
Yes.
And
Yes.
this week, because in the lab we are doing the I action, so inshallah tomorrow everybody lab will complete with I action. So coming week we will start the I action. Shabab with me?
Okay.
Yes, Doctor.
So now I expect from all the brothers, they're gonna do the P action, revise all the problems we solve, revise the labs. On Monday we're gonna have the assessment also. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Assessment,
Yes.
homework or quiz.
For the lab, for the lab. Assessment for the lab.
Yes, teacher.
So
You send it to in the blackboard.
in the blackboard, I already sent, yes. Now, why I am stopping here? I want every brother, he go through all these problems for the P action and revise them and become expert. Somebody revise the P action problems, the I action will be very easy for him. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
Doctor.
Somebody is not revising the P action problems. First of all, his exam, midterm exam cannot be good. Second thing, inshallah, coming week we will start one integral action. Again, he will not understand a lot of things. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes.
So I
Yes,
ask all the brothers, practice and come to me. If you have any question, come to me and ask. Shabab with me?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Doctor.
Just 3-4 brothers, they are coming to me to ask the questions. Nobody else is coming. So I am understanding all the brothers know everything. And I know this is not correct. Shabab with me?
Yes.
So all the brother I am asking, please revise as much as you can and ask the question. And once again, also
Sure.
try to revise the instrumentation measurement 1, calculus 1. So you will be inshallah perfect. Right, Shabab?
Inshallah. Which part of
Inshallah,
instrument 1?
Sorry?
Which part of instrument 1?
Instrument 1, approximately you can say pressure and level is very necessary to revise. You know,
Okay.
because if somebody revise the pressure level, they are like 80% similar. Then you have study, you can say the unit conversion, you know,
Yes.
those are, I am not saying you do all the examples, you solve all the problems. I am saying you read them minimum, because I am understanding all the brother, they remember them, you know, but they forget. They have done it. Maybe some brother did it 1 year before, some brother did it like 2 years before. But when you see them, you will read them, inshallah, you will get everything back. You got my point?
And teacher, what
Yeah.
about calculus?
Calculus emphasize on integration and differentiation, you know, and the basic mathematics. Whenever we are solving some problem, even in the lab, I am telling this is this great math. This is this great math. Why I am telling? I am telling because maybe some brother he go to the internet and find there are free books. Math book free. Go math book is free. You get it and you just read it. It will come back. Everything will come back, inshallah. Because it is not possible you have not done it. I know you have done it. But again, this is our nature as a human being, we forget. Okay, no, if we forget, no problem, revise it. What happens? Shabab with me? Shabab
Yes,
with me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, doctor.
Yeah. Any brother has any question, please ask.
No, teacher.
No question, Shabab? Okay, Shabab. See you guys, inshallah.
Clear,
coming
teacher.
weekend.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
teacher.
you very much. Thank you.